So, hello everyone, welcome to our channel again, and welcome to the part 4 of this series. And we are actually I didn't found any error in the file. So, what we are going to do, we are going to upload it again, and we are going to submit it right now. So here is the file. I am going to explain it to you one the final time. This is the test assignment ID which we have copied on our zip file. This remember, this is our zip file, and inside this we have already kept, this is our geometry name, this is material, and this geometry name and material on geometry, which is ambient inclusion, base color, metallic, normal, roughness, and this is our fpx file, uh, which is uh, I don't know why. I think open it. It can't load actually. Okay, so let me extract it once again and check import inside the blender. Extract here. So we have extracted it here, and this is our blender scene. I'm going to minimize it like this and import this in. Sorry. Yes, like this, and import. Yeah, it is imported, and you can see the object is coming very nicely. So now we can close the window. We can also close this window because we already pegged it, and we pegged it, and I'm going to delete this too. We extracted this file. We are going to upload this here. So we have uploaded our file here, and we are going to move this window here, and we're going to submit. So all model related information on the platform is considered confidential intellectual property of the client. You cannot disclose any information, including product title and images, to anyone to share them publicly. Please refer to Wildcat teams, okay? Don't show worries. Understand. So model is uploading right now. So it is generating our model. It will take some time, I hope. Usually it take 30 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video, pause the recording right now for some time. And yes, meanwhile, please follow our channel if you haven't subscribed it. Please subscribe. I'll continue when it get uploaded successfully. So a model is just uploaded, and it processed to fail just because we haven't actually we have applied it. We need to check it once. You can see this is the first error, this is the second error, 2 errors we got, and you will receive the same information on your Gmail too if you are not aware, or if you haven't turned on the notification of your browser. So now we are going to read more, and here in pivot and bounding box you can see we need to check the transformation. Transformation here 000, and you can see it is going to say that I mean it should be 111 like this. So whenever you apply all transform, you'll get 111, and rotation location to be 0 0 and 0. So our object is already at transformation is already resetted. It may be the error just because of the unit problem. You can see it is already 0 0 0, and this delta transformation is also 0 0, and it's 1. Again we are going to do apply control A, and again we have to apply all transformation, control S. And what we are going to do now, we are going to check the second error. The second error is yeah, this one is the second error. Second error says that this is for 3ds max, this is for blender. In same, it is the for 3ds max and blender. So yes, In Blender, we need to select the metric. Okay. So here is in the unit setup. We are in metric, correct? And it is in meters. Correct, it is in meters. Metric, meters, degree, kilogram, second, Kelvin. Okay, we don't need we only need only meter. And again, what they're saying make sure your file unit system is the length is set according to the task icon. Okay. Now, while exporting, I get this information that we need to select the FPX unit scale, which we haven't selected earlier. Y FPX unit scale and scale to be 1 and Z forward minus Z forward and Y up. Yes. So we will again check model after exporting. We will again import it into the Blender. But for now, we are going to export here. This is the same file on which we are going to rewrite this. And here in all local to FPX unit scale, you can see it is also saying that FPX units scale, we need to select Z minus Z forward is the direction and Y up is the direction is already selected. And yeah, we need to export it now. Now we are going to open new file. And in this file, we are going to import that FPX which we exported. It is already at the center. I don't know why it is, why there is issues like that. But yeah, let's export, let's upload it once again. We'll again check is there any uh issues or not. So it's 7:56 p.m. and I exported this file 7:55. Okay, we are going to copy the name, Control C, and we are going to pick these 6 items. Add to archive here in the zip file, Control V, and okay. So this is the file we got. Cut, and I am going to keep it clean. Here I am going to extract here. While extracting it here, I am going to again import, check and import if the file is correct or not. Okay. So sorry, you won't see the, I think you didn't see the screen. But yes, again, we are going to upload fixes. If you can see view error from here and upload fixes. And yeah, from here, you can upload this file. Shift delete. And this is the file which we have uploaded in the system, in the website, and I will click submit again. So yeah, I'll again continue if the file gets submitted, and I'll chat here with the CGTrader team if now is anything is wrong. So I'll continue again. So I'm stopping the recording. I need to stop the recording for now. I'll continue it whenever it get resume. So I have submitted this model to that CGTrader portal, Wildcat portal, and I got some errors over there, and again I have submitted onto the platform. But here I came, and as you can see, uh, there is option which is the main is rotated, which is the same issue again, and I checked with the CGTrader team too. As you can see, I have informed them that my rotation is non limitation caused by this and all. I write down and ask try to reach with the team. But the thing is, I didn't even get a reply till now. I hope I'll get reply. So this is I'm encountering this error due to this issue, and I strongly believe that this is a common error which every object. Even I shared the uh, video recording of that issue with the team, and I tried uploading this model several times, but each and every time I'm getting the same error, which is main is rotated. So the thing is, I try to export it from Blender as a FBX format by applying all FBX unit scale, and while exporting it in FBX, I am getting uh, zero rotation because I applied all transform. But while importing it to the Blender, I am getting the uh, some rotations while importing into the Blender. So as you can see, I've already text in the CGTrader team that this is the issue which I am going to face. But yeah, I'll definitely find out the solution of this with the FBX and share with you all in the next video. I hope I'll get some. Even I'll try to explore the binary code too by using hexd type of plugin which reads the binary code, and I'll try to change these numbers in the binary code. If I can change, I'll try to use each and every method that I can. uh, and yeah, this is the only error I am getting, which is main is rotated only. This is the error I am getting. Else I have packed everything I shared with you guys, that how can we pack the file, how can we use the naming conventions, and how can we follow the ASCII American Standard Code for Information Interchange. This is the full form of the test. So this is how you can complete your test assignment on Wildcat CGTrader. And also please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and thank you.